Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a beautiful 2014 Audi A5, and we went ahead and integrated Apple CarPlay. So if you want to get your smartphone to work on your original screen, we can make it happen. Let me show you how it works. So right now you see on the screen we're on external audio. Press and hold the nav button for a second or two. Bam, Apple CarPlay. This right here is called an MMI controller. It's something that Audi has. And with this controller, we're able to control the factory Apple CarPlay interface. So that's the original screen. And we went ahead and made this happen. But not only did we do that, we also integrated a reverse camera. Go ahead and put the car in reverse, get a camera on screen. And we have something called dynamic parking lines. So these lines actually move with the steering wheel as you're backing up. So you get beautiful picture quality, beautiful sound quality, and it's fully functional with all of the original controls. And also, this Apple CarPlay can be done wired or wirelessly. Come down to Avenue Sound, New York, or visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you.